My failed omelettes and other disasters. Let's read. I used to think that boiling an egg would be a simple task. But when I came to live at 7,000 feet in the Himalayan foothills, I found that just getting the water to boil was something of an achievement. I don't know if it's the 7,000 feet or the type of water, but it just won't come to boil in time for breakfast. As a result, my eggs are only half boiled. Never mind, I tell everyone half boiled eggs are more nutritious than full boiled eggs. Why boil them at all? Asked my 5-year old grandson, Gautam, who is always offering good advice. Raw eggs are probably healthier. Just you wait and see, I told him. I'll make you a cheese omelette you will never forget. And I did. It was a bit messy as I was over generous with the tomatoes, but I thought it tasted rather good. Gautam, however, pushed his plate away, saying, "You forgot to put in the egg." I love watching other people cook, a habit that I developed at a young age. When I would watch my granny at work in the kitchen, turning out delicious curries, koftas, and custards, I would try helping her, but she soon put a stop to my actions. Once she asked me to add a cup of spices to a large curry dish she was preparing, and I added a cup of sugar. The result, a very sweet curry, another invention of mine. As for making porridge, it's certainly no simple matter. I tried once or twice, but it always came out lumpy. What's this? Asked Gautam when I offered him some. Porridge, I said happily. It's eaten by those brave Scottish soldiers who were always fighting the English. And did they win? He asked. Well, not usually, I answered. He looked doubtfully at the porridge. Some other time, he said. So why not to simplify life? Simplify? Simplify. Or simply sandwiches? These shouldn't be too difficult, I decided. After all, they are basically bread and butter. But have you tried cutting bread into thin slices? Don't. It's highly dangerous. You must get your bread ready sliced. Butter it generously. Now add your fillings cheese, tomato, lettuce, cucumber, whatever. Gosh, I was really going places. Slap another slice of buttered bread over this mouth-watering slice of bread. Now cut in two. Result? Everything is spills out at the sides and onto the tablecloth. Now look what you've gone and done, says Gautam. Never mind, I tell him. Practice makes perfect.